9 trains? 9 loops? Part 3, Hocus Pocus. 9-train wooden track layout. Initiative provided by Caleb Matthews. Designed by Gary Schick. Video by Gary Schick. June 2025.
This is the third episode in a 3-part video featuring 9 or more electric trains moving at the same time across a complex wooden track layout. In Part 1, It Must Be Done with Mirrors, we watched the trains and enjoyed a train adventure. The second episode, Part 2, Nothing Up My Sleeve, showed there is more to this train layout than meets the eye. If you did not watch Part 1 and Part 2, stop this video and watch the previous 2 episodes before continuing. Here, in the series' final episode, Part 3, Hocus Pocus, we will reveal the unexpected trickery that mysteriously began to appear in Part 2. When Part 2 began, we showed you the photo on the left. As we approached the end of Part 2, we showed you the photo on the right. Here we put the 2 photos side by side. The angle and lighting is different, but that is not important. There are layout differences that are significant. Let's see if we can find important changes. In side-by-side pictures, we zoom to the top left corner and see changes made during Part 2. There is an unimportant location swap of the green tower mechanical switch. A noticeable change near the bottom right is a new 8th train station. The new central station provides Level 2 platforms on routes 5 and 8, and a Level 1 platform on Route 4. There are other changes magically appearing. A new unlabeled elevated section of track, left of the new station, is an exit added to Route 7, connected by a new switch. This switch is set straight. The Route 7 path is unchanged, the exit is unused, and the section is unnumbered. If you follow the unused exit past a new merge section, we find a new section of track along the left edge. The new track extends along the left edge from bottom to top of the photo labeled 0. A new track at the top labeled 0 curves to the south and then to the west. This track passes a new platform in Northeast Station. There is a new train on this section of track. In both the old and the new photo, we see a track ahead of the train leading to the green bridge, then descending after the bridge. The train engine is on a new merge track, so that track section is different. The merge replaced a straight track in the left photo and connects the new Route 0 to a previously unused track, over the green bridge. In both photos, left of the green bridge, the track descends. In the new photo at the descent bottom, there is a new switch, replacing a straight track in the old photo. If this switch were set to straight, a train would exit and then merge onto Route 7 by way of track that exists in both photos. However, the switch is set to curve, so a train curves onto another new section of track, labeled to show a continuation of the Route 0. This last section of Route 0 passes under Route 7 and then ascends to the merge track of the unused exit from Route 7. Since the path arrives back at a point already discussed, the path completes a loop.
Hocus Pocus. Route 0 is Route 10. Another circuit loop route appears. And, of course, a 10th train.
There are now 5 stations in central areas of the layout, shown here. Routes 4-4, now platforms in 3 Centra stations. Routes 5 and 8 now have platform in 2 central stations.
The creation of Route 10 caused the need for a 9th train station. East Station is located where routes 10, 6 and 7 are all straight and parallel, just after Route 10 crosses over routes 6 and 7 and curves east. Route 10 needs an elevated platform and Route 6 and 7 platform below at East Station. ACE. East Station had not been constructed when we made the video called Part 2. Nothing up my sleeve. Mechanical switch configuration. As you may recall, the setting of the mechanical switches creates the conditions needed for the creation of routes. The switch setting chart and switch location diagram left contains the settings required to have 10 independent loop routes in the layout. This diagram and chart was amended from the one shown in Part 2 to now include a new switches on Route 10. Route 7 also has an additional switch, and switch numbers from 7.4 to 7.6 are adjusted. Visualization aid. Of course, with a 10th route, we have a 10th train. As in Part 2, the table to the right provides a home station name and a description for each train to help with identification. Let's watch two new videos. The first video is taken from a location looking west, to make it easier to see all the trains at once. The second video is looking east, where it is possible to see all the trains, but the viewing angle is more difficult. I hope you enjoy the two final videos.